Researchers at the Clarksville Research Center are conducting a multi-state, multi-disciplinary study aimed at developing a new way of getting foliar inputs into apples and eventually cherries.
What this means in terms of delivering inputs, and by inputs I'm talking about pesticides, which could be fungicides or insecticides, also nutrients or plant growth regulators, is that the blast sprayers that we've used in the past are not optimized for this type of a system. They were really developed around those big spherical canopies, the idea being that you push out product-laden air in a big cloud and displace the clean air around the trees in an effort to coat the foliage. This is one of our micro emitters, or what we call them micro sprayers in this case. These are off-the-shelf irrigation components that are commonly used in greenhouses and sometimes for floor irrigation systems. What we have here are two emitters that put out a fan spray in this direction. And this is important because by pushing the material out this way and up and down in sort of a cone shape, we're able to get the bottoms of the leaves as well as the tops of the leaves with our sprayer.
One advantage to this system is not having to drive a tractor through the orchard, saving both time and money.
Typically, we apply about 70 to 100 gallons per acre when we're putting on an application, whether through our system or through a tractor-driven system. It might take anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour to do that per acre with a tractor. With this system, it takes about 15 seconds. If we were putting on a
Grisham says the goal of the project is to develop a system that is more grower-friendly, more efficient in energy and product usage, and getting the sprays on in a timely fashion.
Well, I think it's very important for the general public. Anyone who enjoys eating tree fruit is going to benefit. And this is because a more efficient system is going to translate to a higher quality product for the consumer, and one that is, in the long run, probably affordable. Beyond that, based on what we're seeing, because we can get sprays on so quickly, it opens up a whole new range of pest management options, which may result in reduced amounts of pesticides, be they fungicides or insecticides, put out on the orchard.
Scientists hope by applying sprays in a matter of minutes, it will allow orchardists to use low-dosage applications rather than having to use one big one. This also benefits the consumer.
I think for the public, it's pretty important. More affordable fruit, better fruit, or has less potential to carry any kind of pesticide or other input residue on it.
Michigan State University AgBioResearch, changing the face of science.